Thank you for downloading the WisdomGPS app. This app will provide you with the information necessary to effectively complete the delivery process and to communicate with your dispatcher. Please check with your specific restaurant delivery service regarding any features not covered in this video. Every time that you receive an order to be picked up, the app will alert you with this sound. It will continue to alert you every 10 seconds until you hit the receive button. Once you hit the receive button, it lets the office know that you see that you have an order and that you are headed toward the restaurant. Starting at the top, this is just a chat feature, which is your way to communicate with the office. This is how information about orders will be transmitted back and forth. It is basically a lifeline between yourself and the dispatcher. Next, you just simply touch each order to open it up. This will show you everything that you need to know about the order. Starting at the top, the information that you're going to want to take notice of is first the name of the restaurant, and then on that fourth line, the order number. The quoted time is the estimated time that the customer has been given for delivery, but we will always tell you when to pick it up and when to drop it off. Below that, everything inside the black box is coming from the restaurant. A good way to tell how many boxes or containers that you're picking up is to count the major dollar amounts. Below the box, the next things that pertain to you will fall between the R total and the C total. That is where the delivery fee and the tip will always be. That C total is the grand total, all taxes and fees combined. Following the C total is the address to which the order will be delivered, and then two optional fields for the name of a business and/or notes. After that is the name and contact number for the customer, and then their method of payment. The distance listed is the distance from the restaurant to the customer, and the drive time is an estimate of how long it'll take for you to get there. Alright, back to the top. So you hit the receive button, saying that you're headed to the restaurant. When you get to the restaurant, you will hit the second button. At Rest stands for At Restaurant and notifies us that you got there. Once inside, provide the restaurant with the order number located at the top of your screen. Once the restaurant has given you the food and you are back to your car, hit the third button en route to let us know that you are headed to the customer. Then, once you have reached the customer, hand them the food and hit the fourth button, Complete. When you hit the Complete button, it will then prompt you to hand your phone to the customer. This will give them the opportunity to add a tip and sign for the order. There are two more buttons that will be very helpful to you. When you hit this green button, it'll give you two options. Would you like directions to the customer or to the restaurant? Tap whichever one applies, and the app will link into whatever map program you prefer. The red button also gives you two options. Would you like to call the customer or the restaurant? Most of the time, you won't have to do either, but if you need to contact either one, just tap the button and it will dial the number. Please remember, if you have any questions over the course of a shift, use the chat feature to communicate with the dispatcher. Thank you for partnering with us. We look forward to working with you.